Hey Dad, have you ever dealt with EV charging at a gas station?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. I just got an estimate from evchargerfast.com. This customer wants an EV charger at their gas station.
Gas stations are awful. That's why you gave me this microphone?
Yeah, because I need help. I'm a young buck. I need some advice on how to deal with my customer with a gas station.
Gas stations are awful. Let's go.
All right.
So, first off, you have an appointment to go there? Is that why?
Yeah.
Okay. Someone's going to meet us there?
Yeah, he's going to be on site in 10 minutes.
Okay. Well, let's just go. Gas stations are awful.
All right.
You're driving again.
Okay.
I'm not driving.
All right. Sounds good.
And I'm wondering why you asked me for the microphone. I've done work in a lot of gas stations, and they're always awful. They always because they're just built on a small footprint, and they never really consider the maintenance. This truck is awesome, man.
I know, right?
You know, I'm still waiting for you to start it up, you know, and hear it run.
Yeah.
And I forget how it's just so smooth and an instant start. Yeah. All right, so my son got a call from a gas station about some EV charging and some other electric work. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna check it out. We're gonna look at it. And I know that EV charging in gas stations can be difficult because they never really plan ahead. The services are always inadequate. The maintenance room that they allow is always jammed with these little pump alarms and these little contactors, etc., teleco equipment. It's always jammed. So
yeah,
most likely we won't be able to put EV chargers there because they won't have enough power. So it could be another like witch hunt where they're just getting pricing or they just want to kick the tires. So
I think they're trying to get pricing.
If you get a call about EV charging in like an HOA community, a COA community, a gas station, a public charging station, don't get too excited because it often just leads down to a rabbit hole.
Yeah.
So look at that nice Mercedes, man. That's really cool. I'm surprised you don't have a cover on it. That's really neat. I wonder where you're going. That's cool. All right, so what are we doing here? Uh-huh. Okay, an estimate for a walk-in cooler and EV charging? Good morning. How are you guys doing? Okay, it's going to be awful, I'm sure. I'm sure it's going to be awful. You can go up to the front there and just ask the girl. Here we go. All right, Chris, I want you to walk me through here, pal. Tell me what you think you see here. Dude, we'll find that because it's got to be labeled. You guys probably did it. Because it's nice and labeled. Anyway, you get a sniffer. These could be rooftops here. 60 amp fuses, kitchen exhaust, compactor, service disconnect. We'll find it. Actually, no, this is probably, I wonder if this is all low voltage. 200 amps, 600 volts. Okay, so this is high voltage. High voltage? Yes. Because it says right here 600 amp rated. All right? Yeah. So that means the power comes in, 480 volt, and then it's stepped down, and you can see all these transformers. Right? This is a transformer. Look at this old Jai-type transformer. Kitchen panels, those red panels we pass come from here. Okay, we got this. Nice, man. Easy steezy.